This is called the Aqua Dance. When you open up the box, you see it comes with the handle, shower head and handle assembly. Comes with the same type of hose with the washer. Comes with the base unit that attaches into the pipe at this end, and this is the saddle where the handle of the shower head goes. And then it also comes with some plumber's tape. And then we also have these instructions that tells how to do it. And so we're just going to follow these instructions. So the first things the instructions say are to remove the old shower head. So right here is where we're going to unscrew it. First, I'm going to take the handle off. And then we'll just unscrew it. Okay, so now we just have the pipe right here, and we're going to attach a brand new one to this pipe. To make sure that the thick washer, which is here, is positioned flat and straight inside the connection nut of the bracket. So we're just going to put it in here like so. Okay. So the washer is now perfectly set within the bracket. Turn the holder right here clockwise to position the hose outlet pointing down. Okay, so this is now facing in the downward position, like so. Now the next step says to turn on water to check for leakage. Let's turn on the water. Okay, it's safe to say there's no leakage here. Let's go to the next step. Now the next step is to take this short hose nut right there and put a washer inside of it. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then screw that right here. Turn over tighten. And now the next step is to put the handle on. So we're going to take this part here, it's called the long hose nut, and we're going to put a washer in there. All right, make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, and we're going to take our handle here and just screw it on there like so. And stick it in the top here. Okay, and then we should be able to turn it on and make sure there's no leaks and it's working. Okay, let's give it a go. All right, there's no leaks here, no leaks here, no leaks here. It's a successful installation.
Thank you for watching.